YouTube, back another video today. Man, we picked the colors up. Man, he got this top knocked out in a day and a half. So I dropped the car off Monday, and it's Wednesday at like 10:30, and he already done. He shot me a message like, I got you done, I got you taken care of. So I went ahead, picked the car up, got him squared away, and this top looks phenomenal, man. I can't wait to get home and show y'all. I would get out, show y'all while I'm out and about, but man, it's cold outside again. And I gotta get back and figure out what the scraping noise is I got going on in the corner, on the right rear corner. I got a weird scraping noise I gotta figure out, which is annoying. So that's the next thing I'm on. But yeah, man, this top looks crazy good. I mean, I was thinking about going with like a Stay Fast material, but I'm glad I went with vinyl instead. I think vinyl looks cleaner, looks a lot classier than that Stay Fast material. So we're gonna cut y'all back on in a little bit once I get through the rest of the day, man, and then show y'all how crazy good this top looks. And then we're just gonna continue trying to figure out what we're gonna do for this headliner and the Brougham. So yeah, let me cut y'all back on in a minute. So we made it home, finished the day off, man. We had to do some cleaning up around the garage, because I told myself I'm only gonna use this third space to really work on like anything heavy out of. But we ran into a few issues that I got the car in here for. So this back wheel is making some scraping noise, like a rotational scraping. So I'm gonna have to put it on my jack and take the wheel off. And I think something may be stuck in the rotor, I don't know, or a piece of hardware came off the brake, I don't know. So we're trying to get that figured out. But let me show y'all this top, man. He killed this top. We moved the toolbox, everything over here. The whole corner full of this. This is gonna be my work section when I'm at home. So y'all check this top out. Man, but he nailed this top. Trim looks good, because the trim is gonna be, the car will actually be the same color as the trim. And so we went with a charcoal gray top to kind of just accent it a little bit, where you can just kind of see the separation of the top. And what he did that he told me he was gonna do for me was, he likes to recess these in, and because these normally stick out. So he went ahead and he just recessed it and did the push, like outlining, and he put it in there. And what's surprising me, he didn't break them. Same thing with this one, but I switched these to gold. But when he recessed these in, I like this look right here. This will be fixed pretty soon, by the way, so y'all just don't worry about that too much more. But like how he recessed the circle, he recessed it on here. He got all the trim on there without too much damage and scratching. But like he said, it was kind of older trim because it's used. So he had to like make it fit the best that he could. He's like, I got it on there. He's like, some of them had a few dents in them, but it's not that bad. So, I mean, he's got it tucked super tight around here, around the whole thing. Looks good. He even wrapped this individual piece right here. Perfect. I mean, the corners even line up. All around the glass lines up perfect. Like, he even flipped the rubber strip back out all the way around. Some people always tuck that. The top looks good here. This is probably the furthest spot out, but like he said, right here is where the pad ended. So he had a little overhang, which is fine. The dude is super informative about everything that he does. I just gotta buff out a few of these clear spots that I got on here. But overall, man, this top looks fantastic. Oh. Everything. I'm gonna start adjusting these doors soon. That door right there is a nightmare to open and close, so check it out. What y'all think of this top? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this top. And if y'all in the OKC area, man, the guy's name is David Combs. He owns David Combs Auto Trim. Dude does a great job with everything. You can find him on Google, all that stuff. Call him. He'll normally answer within 2 to 3 rings, get you scheduled in. He provides everything for it. All you gotta do is show up, drop the car off. When it's done, pay him and take your car. Everything's good to go. So that step is done. We done actually got so much stuff done in this car. Radio is done. We can mark that off. It's got a new radio in it. We marked a bunch of this stuff off. Power seats fixed. Power windows are fixed. Like, I gotta get the interior done. I need to do an alignment, but I'm not gonna align it till I put that control arm in. and then we just painting body. I mean, it's coming along. I ordered a few small weather strip pieces for it as well. And then like literally the small stuff that we have with the Cadillac. Check that out. I'm ready to start driving these, man. It's just so up and down with the weather. It makes it kind of a nightmare to really want to drive these things. You ready to go to work? Oh.
Yeah, I'm trying to on the porch.
Okay. I think maybe those Escalade shocks. Anyway, we got show y'all that top. What y'all think? What do y'all think of that new top? I think it looks good. We just gotta get the paint in. So right now I'm just taking as many side jobs as I can, all that other stuff to be able to afford to paint this. Cause it's gonna need a whole lot of body work. Y'all can see it's got some dents in it, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm finna get started on taking this wheel off and try to figure out this rubbing noise and cut y'all back on once we get the wheel off. Problem I'm having is spin this and see if y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all be able to hear it, but of course it ain't gonna work. I just lift the whole rear end of the car up. So let me put this underneath the pumpkin. Lift this up real quick. Problem is, like it, let me see. I don't know if y'all can hear it. So I was driving and you can start hearing that. So I take it off, kind of see what's going on back there. So definitely gotta figure that one out because I can't be driving with that. I don't know if I might put shoes on it or what, so. I think I'm gonna wind up taking these locks and wheel locks off. I don't plan on leaving this thing anywhere. It can get stolen anyway, so. And it makes it so much easier to maneuver it around, get the wheels on and off, so. That all. We'll take the spacer off. I actually got the extended lug nuts. Extended lug stuff. I just never put it on, so hoping I can get this rotor off without a real issue, so we'll see. And when I got this car, the brakes were all locked up, so it made it hard to really tell about getting anything on. Like right now, it still feels like this ain't gonna want to come off with ease. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hammer real quick and try to tap this off. Hopefully I can get it off, because I need to see what's going on back behind me anyway. I need to see what the problem is, so. Yep, that's what we finna work on. Get that straight and I'll cut y'all back on. Man, I swear, every time, you just gotta keep going with these old project cars. So So after fighting this rotor off for the last 20 minutes, man, let me just show y'all. Inside of the rotor, my hardware came apart to my rear drum brakes. So y'all see and the bad part about it is this park brake arm or whatever this is, adjusting arm, whatever it got, y'all see that? It got destroyed in there, which I think it literally just goes on the bottom right above the, I think it goes on the bottom right above, like right here, above the star wheel adjuster. So I think that's where it goes, but man, don't quote me on that. No, I see where it goes. It actually goes right here underneath the wheel cylinder right here. Shoes, actually, I don't know, I might wind up putting new shoes on this thing too, cause that ain't good at all. I don't feel like changing the wheel cylinders because I do not feel like bleeding the brakes again. Y'all see it though, it actually like chewed up the little lock nut, the little for here, it chewed it up pretty good. And then like I said, this I'm gonna try to figure out where I can get it replaced at, if I can find one. They probably make them with the hardware kit, since I gotta get a new hardware kit, because I think here's the other piece to this right here, actually. Right there, there's the other piece to it. So yeah, that's shot apart, and I don't know where the little lock rod went to that. Bro, I tell y'all what, man. Getting your project car is not for the faint of heart, so I'm gonna have to wind up putting new rotors on the back, rebuilding the whole setup with the drums, cleaning everything up. I don't know if I'm gonna put wheel cylinders in it. I'm this far, I might as well, but oh man, it's just one of them days. I know I'm gonna clean it all out with brake clean though, and then check it over, so we can start trying to get this problem corrected. Can't believe that happened. I gotta find the parts for it and go from there. Cause I think this is like just what holds it separated when you go to use the brake. It may be what holds it, like just the space between. So we'll go to see once I take this apart, which I can actually pull this side off pretty easy because it's just the one side over here. This side is the one that's complicated with the e-brake, which I see that don't even look like it's hooked up or not. Nah, it's not even hooked up. It's not even right, because this back side of the star wheel is supposed to be in front of this hook, but it's not right. So yeah, oh man, so I guess we're gonna go on in here and get on Rock Auto, start looking up parts. So I may use my discount at work to go a little quicker with it. We got the new tires ordered though, so we're gonna put the bigger tires on it, the 275 25 24s. And I'm gonna probably just go ahead and throw these on Marketplace, see if I can recoup some of my cash on them. Other than that, man, y'all see car's back home. We got that new top on there. You fix one thing for another thing to break. But that's the problem. That's a good thing with these old project cars. You just fix them and keep grinding. So I appreciate y'all for rocking with me on all these videos. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Cutlass is back home. Top is done. Brakes back underway. We'll catch y'all in the next video.